Guys, this outfit has a refined and confident look that stands out immediately. The fabric feels soft, breathable, and comfortable throughout the day. Its lightweight design allows it to sit naturally and effortlessly. The overall style is elegant without appearing overly formal. Friends, that versatility is one of its biggest strengths. The fit feels relaxed while still maintaining a polished appearance. Every detail looks thoughtfully designed and carefully finished. The stitching is clean and contributes to the premium quality feel. The material has a smooth texture that feels pleasant to wear. It remains comfortable even during extended periods of use. The silhouette looks balanced and naturally flattering. Nothing feels exaggerated or unnecessary. The design embraces a timeless approach to fashion. Friends, that's what keeps it looking relevant year after year. The fabric drapes beautifully and enhances the overall presentation. It allows freedom of movement without losing its elegant shape. The construction feels durable and dependable. The quality is noticeable in both the material and craftsmanship. Every element works together to create a sophisticated result. The outfit feels stylish